Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It is Karina from Paradigm Thrifts, and today I am doing an unboxing of this general merchandise. I don't know how many pieces are in here, but it's a general merchandise box from San Diego Resale. This is not sponsored or anything. I paid for this box myself, but I'm really excited to open it. I don't typically sell general merchandise. I usually stick to women's clothing. But I've been seeing some people find some great things in these types of boxes, so I wanted to give it a try myself. Again, I bought this from San Diego Resale. I will link their website down below. They do drops and they do sell out pretty quickly, so try to snag one whenever they re-upload. But I'm really excited and I want to open this for you guys right now. So it actually came yesterday. And I didn't get a chance to open it yet, so we're gonna open it now on camera. This is what it looks like on the inside. I don't remember how many items are supposed to be in here or what, but we'll see at the end. So the first thing I found was this. It's a pet bed by Wags and Whiskers. My dog would be able to fit her head on here maybe, so I'll try to sell that. Next are these Hunter Kids Boot socks in a size medium. That's great. So it says Last Chance on there, which I'm pretty sure is Nordstrom. So I'm assuming that all of these are from Nordstrom or Nordstrom Rack. Let's see. What is this? Oh, okay. So these are from Veer, which I'm pretty sure is like a wagon for kids, because I wanted one for myself, but I don't know what these are. They might be like partitions. Not sure on the resale value of these, because I think these are just like add-on things, but I'll have to look those up. This is definitely like a new adventure for me. Like I said, I don't typically sell hard goods or homewares or anything, so this will be interesting. I got a few phone cases here. This is actually a screen protector for an iPhone 11. I have a phone case for a 12 mini and another phone case here. And then this is a little phone pocket, so I think you just like stick your cards in it and can attach it to any phone. Next is this True Beauty Hot Styling Tool brush. I wonder if this is one of those like blow dryers, if you know what I'm talking about. It says though on here that it doesn't work, so I'm not sure about that. Next is this little game, and it looks like it's in French. I have no idea. I will have to ask somebody to translate this for me, but it's a little game. I think it's like a Guess Who, but it's in French. Here are some more phone cases, I think. What is this? Oh, this is a sanitizer. These are some phone cases. I have a little kid's backpack here. Ooh, I got some goggles, or are these called goggles? If this fits my daughter, I'll probably just give these to her. Some little bags of, I think these were supposed to have jewelry in them, but it's okay, just little bags. This is I think this is like an iPad case, and it says Empowered Women Empower Women. Not sure on the brand. Doesn't say anything, but this is kind of cute. Here is a beanie from Soul Society. There's actually a lot of stuff in here. I think I paid around $300, so hopefully I can make my money back on this. This is just like a no brand little toiletry bag. Some more pouches, and doesn't look like there's nothing inside, so they're just little cosmetic pouches. Here's another one, and it has this Seasons Eatings, and it's like a Christmas thing. Some more phone cases, and these are all just like with the straps on them. This is how my phone case is, but yeah, so there's a bunch here. Here is another sanitizer. Some headphones. So these are by the brand Polaroid, and I'm not sure if they're supposed to have like a cord on them or anything. There's a plug-in, but there's like nothing else, so don't know if those are gonna work. Here is an Isabel Marant dust bag, but nothing inside. Ooh, I got a little Stojo Cup. I've been wanting one of these so bad, so I'm probably gonna keep this for myself. If you haven't seen them before, they're like the little collapsible, I think it has too much air in it. It's a little collapsible coffee mugs, so you can easily carry them around with you. And they're just like silicone, but I'm gonna keep that for myself. I got this, but I don't know if there's supposed to be like an attachment for it or what, but I don't see anything else. It's just kind of empty. Here's another Stojo Cup, and I think this one's like has a straw in it for cold things. I'm gonna keep that as well. Here is a belt by Vince Camuto. There you go, Vince Camuto. Ooh, some stasher bags. Those reusable bags that you can use as instead of Ziplocs. Probably gonna keep that. Another sterilizer. I don't even know if these actually work. Ooh, this is cute. This is a Bent Go box. I'm probably gonna keep this as well. I don't know if it's zooming in or if it's focusing, but Bent Go. This is originally like $20, so we'll see. Oh my goodness, another sanitizer, and another sanitizer. A flask for Christmas. Maybe I'll give that away as like a Christmas present. Here's another beanie, and it's by Free People. Here is a, I don't know about this brand. Oh, but it doesn't seem like it retails for much. It's Elemis and G Roche. I might have to look that up, but it only sold for like $3 at last chance, so who knows. Here's another one of those phone wallet things. And then there's a bunch of patches. Try to pull all of them out. So these are all patches. There's some more patches. Oh, here's another phone wallet. More patches. Patches. One of these key thingies. Door thingies. And then there's this big thing in here. It is Pipa series car seat adapter for Uppa Baby Vista and cruise strollers. So this retails for, I have no idea, but it's just the attachment for those strollers, I guess. I don't even know if it's like complete. There's only 2 things in here. So I'll have to make sure that that's like a complete set and then see if I can sell that. I'm probably gonna try most of these out on like Mercari and Facebook Marketplace because I don't think these are really that great for Poshmark. Let's see. This is the last thing in the box. It's just a pair of glasses and there's no brand on it. Yeah, nothing that I can see. Oh wait, maybe. Oh, they're Kate Spade. So there, that's a good find. These are just some Kate Spade Aviators. And honestly, I'm gonna be honest, this is probably the best thing that I found. No, this is the best thing that I found in the box. I personally think that it's gonna be a little bit hard for me to make my money back on this. But we'll see. We'll see how it goes. Like I said, I'm going to be trying these out on Mercari and Facebook Marketplace. And I'll probably be lotting a lot of stuff up, especially like the patches and stuff. I don't even know if I'm gonna sell these. I might just like put them as freebies in packages. But yeah, I'm keeping some stuff for myself. I'll be able to keep some stuff and give them away as Christmas presents, doing some early Christmas shopping. But I don't know if general merchandise is my cup of tea. Let me know down below if you guys have purchased any of the general merchandise boxes, whether they're from San Diego Resale or from another wholesaler, and how your experience was. I've seen some really bad boxes and I've seen some really good boxes as well. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up.